Hey guys, happy Thursday. Yo, today is Thursday and right now it's 2:41, you guys. 2:41. I'm just starting right now. I was busy in the morning. I didn't work. So let me go work and see if I can make $100. Only 100. I'm not asking for much. Yeah. I have 4 hours to work. Let's see if I can make $100. Anyway, I have my first order. I got an order when I was still home. $24 going for Mayo. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 24 items. So let's go. Just received my second order. 22 I can't talk. $23. It's going to Mayo. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 2 people. Let's go shop for these 2 people, y'all. Let's go. I don't know where I drew. Oh, here it is. Never mind. I was about to say I don't know where I pull my car key, but let's go. Yo, I am done shopping for 2 person. So this one in here is for A, and this one here is for B, and this one over here is still for A because there was not space here to put it in. So I am done. Let's go check out. Yo, the weather just changed. It's about to rain. It's about to start pouring, y'all. Guess it's gonna be my last one because it's about to rain, y'all. Yo, I'm just putting this on because it's raining, y'all. It's raining. Oh my God. And I'm about to go outside and deliver my for the first customer. And I can see over there she already opened the door, so she's really waiting for me. So let me head out, y'all. Okay, yeah, that's done. So let's go deliver for the next customer. It's only 2 minutes away. Ooh, let's go. 2 minutes away. She is. She's waiting for me. Both customers, because these orders that I'm delivering, they was both have alcohol, so I need to scan the ID. So let's go deliver. I was just thinking to go home because of the rain, but I just checked on the weather thing. It's not gonna rain for the rest of the day, y'all. It's only this hour, only 4. That's the only time that's going to rain. So let me stay here and make money. Anyway, I received another order, $17 going for Mayo. And the shopping order, I'm going to shop for 10 items. So good order, one of the good order out there. So let me tell you what happened to my last delivery. Before I shopped those orders, they told me to take a picture of myself, and after delivering too, they told me to take a picture of myself. So I thought they only do that on when you shopped pharmacy order. It's not. Maybe when you're shopping for alcohol too, you take a picture. These are new things. I don't know, because yo, before I start shopping for those 2 orders, I took a picture of myself, and after I'm done with my last one, I took pictures. So new things every day. They are making sure that the same person is delivering this stuff, which is good though, which is good, because there is a lot of fake account out there. So Spark is really trying to put those accounts down, which is good. You know, I don't mind. You know, let's go shop this order.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for
like today they have a lot of shopping orders, you guys. I'm getting a lot of shopping order. I just got another shopping order, $26, you guys. It's going 6 miles, and I'm shopping 31 items. So let's go shopping. When I came, I said I wanna get at least 100, and I'm almost there. I need like $9 more to reach 100. So that's good. And let me see what time is it right now. It's I think it's almost 5. Let's see. It's taking a long time to show up though. Show the time. It's 4:56. So that's good. Let's go shop this order. You're almost done. Only one more item left. Only one more item, which is the bottom. Need the blue one. Where is the blue one at? Oh, here it is. Okay.
If you want me the way I want you, but you're all into all that you do. It's so.
Yo, this is it. I am done. It's 6:30, so since 6 o'clock I was waiting for an order, but it's been 30 minutes without an order, so I'm about to call it a day. I received an order. Let me see. Okay, it was a bad order. When I say I received an order, let me go check, because I'm using the same phone to record. So when I say I send an order, it's a notification that pops up in my phone. So that's why I go click on, you know. So I'm about to, let me go home, y'all. Let me go home. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I love you. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, yo. We're almost there. Only 3 subscribers away. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make it final, y'all. Give me that 3 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and give me those 3 more subscribers. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.